This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos. Yes, French pronunciation videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous brands of French cars. There's actually only 3 brands of French cars that are prominent in the world. Together with Renault and Citroën, we are looking at how to pronounce the name with the typical French pronunciation, Peugeot. So how do you go about pronouncing Peugeot, and why is it pronounced this way? Well, the T at the end of Peugeot is definitely silent. It's very often the case in French that the last letter is not pronounced, and that's the case here, so do not say Peugeot, but rather Peugeot. And then the E after the G there means that the letter G is pronounced like a J and not with the sound G. So do not say Peugeot or do not say Peugeot either, but rather Peugeot. The E after the G there is not pronounced. It just means that GE forms the sound J, so like a J. So it'd be almost like Peugeot, where like there was a J there. So Peugeot. The sound EU, the letters EU form the kind of strange French sound that is E. Peugeot. So overall, the typical French pronunciation is Peugeot. Peugeot. But it'd be fine in English or American to just say Peugeot. Peugeot. But definitely not Peugeot. And here is how to pronounce Peugeot. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce Renault, then here is the video about this. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye-bye.